Wall Street sank on Thursday after U.S. inflation data came in hotter than expected, but stocks turned sharply lower following comments from Federal Reserve President James Bullard, who said the 40-year high in consumer prices made him, quote, dramatically more hawkish, raising fears the Fed will hike rates more aggressively. The Dow dropped 1.5%, while the S&P fell 1.8%, and the Nasdaq finished down 2.1%. The seventh time this year the index lost more than 2% in a single session. Riverfront Investment Group's chief investment strategist Chris Constantinos said despite Bullard's remarks, he believes the Fed will opt to take things slow.
I think the Fed would still prefer to move in 25 basis point increments. They sort of have to walk this tightrope, if you will, between making sure they're not too far behind the curve as it relates to controlling inflation. But on the flip side, they also don't want to appear like they're panicking, that they're moving, with a magnitude that's too high. And I suspect in the coming days, we're going to get more back and forth between some of the more hawkish Fed presidents and some of the more dovish.
Mega-cap growth stocks including Tesla, Nvidia, and Microsoft gave back some gains made earlier in the week, each losing about 3%. But U.S. companies continued to report upbeat earnings. Walt Disney was a bright spot as shares rose more than 3% after the company beat revenue and profit expectations on strong Disney Plus subscriber growth and higher attendance at U.S. theme parks. Shares of toy maker Mattel rose more than 7.5%, and cereal maker Kellogg gained more than 3% after both companies forecast full-year profits above market expectations.